You see the panorama? If you want to go down into the Sphinx by horse, this is good price.
I'm sure.
You don't pay any money till you see your trip.
I know. But you know what? I'm actually going to meet my friends there first.
With Halloween 3, it's one of those movies that I always loved it. It's my favorite Halloween film, which probably puts me in hot water with Halloween fans. But what can I say? Halloween 3, to me, is one of the most unique horror films I've ever seen. I mean, this is kind of blowing my mind right now, but hey, we still have a lot of films to go. Next up, guys, we have Halloween 4, The Return of Michael Myers versus Friday the 13th Part 4, the final chapter. Now, this is a battle. On one hand, you've got Halloween 4 that certainly has its production problems with the mask for some people. Me, personally, I like the mask. You also have that infamous Vincent drug scene, which is incredible. I love the look of that because I'll pause the movie and look at all this stuff to see if I get the final chapter. It is now 3-1. All right, guys, next up, we have Halloween 5, The Revenge of Michael Myers versus Friday the 13th 5, A New Beginning. Talk about a pick the lesser evil. Halloween still leading. This is by far the toughest one. Friday the 13th, Jason Lives, Part 6 versus Halloween, The Curse of Michael Myers. Be told based off of this ridiculous half-baked idea of 5. But there are things about Halloween, The Curse of Michael Myers I absolutely love. For instance,
a terrifying new tale of horror. A group of Jewish young adults are getting ready for the holidays.
I have bootlegs of those, but you know what? I gotta own the DVDs. I have bootleg Blu-rays of them, but I have to own the DVDs. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you guys, this was a recyclable style DVD case. Well, this last time they were like, we're out of those. We don't have those anymore. And I was, so we're just gonna keep them in this. And I was like, oh, the actual like rental style case, like these? And they were like, yeah. And I'm like, I prefer those. They're bulletproof. They're like the sturdiest DVD cases in the world. Everybody knows that the DVD rental cases were the best. They're sturdy. They got no give to them. So I'm hoping if I continue to buy from them, they'll keep them that way. But this was an Anchor Bay release. People have told me that they love this one, and I've seen it, but it literally was years ago. I think it might be, this might be volume 2 or season 2. I'm not sure. But I'm so excited. Tom Holland, man. Check out the